Excuse me, are you Maria?
Yeah?
I've got a message for you.
Message? Who from?
From me. Stay away from my boyfriend! You're a lousy cat! He's my boyfriend!
What's going on? Keep her away from me!
Right, that's enough!
I haven't even started yet.
Oh, yes, you started and you finished, lady.
Are you mad? I don't even know your boyfriend!
You were in Venice last night, weren't you?
Yeah?
Yeah, well, you were seen snogging my boyfriend.
What, Chris, he's your boyfriend?
Yeah.
Well, I didn't know.
We're gonna get married.
Well, he didn't act like he was getting married last night.
Hey, no, Kate, right, you stinky piece now! Get out before I chuck you out!
We're gonna get married.
What? I didn't know he was a boyfriend.
I don't suppose you thought to ask, did you? Now get in the back and sort yourself out.
Great floor show.